Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Dish Delicious Cooking Day. It's a beautiful Saturday today. I'm gonna be making traditional Armenian barbecue. I have pre-cut pork chops and pork belly. I'm gonna start seasoning and then I'm gonna let it sit for a couple hours before I start cooking. So let's go ahead and start. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start cutting the pork bellies and then we're gonna start seasoning. So I'm gonna make nice cubes. I'm gonna start seasoning. I'm gonna put some Perrier. This makes it more tender. Use black pepper. Use salt. A little bit of smoked paprika. Okay, let this sit aside. I'm gonna put some olive oil also. Okay, I'm gonna add the last seasoning, savory. This gives very good flavor. Start mixing it sometime. Okay, it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for 2-3 hours before we cook it. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and start putting the pork on the skewers. Also we're gonna do veggie barbecue. We're gonna make salad. So let's go ahead and put all these veggies on the skewers first. Okay, our veggies are ready. We're gonna go ahead and clean them up, and then we're gonna mix it together, and then we're gonna cook a little bit more with some butter. Oh, looks good. We're chopping the barbecue veggies. We're gonna go ahead and cook this with butter, mix it up, cook approximately 10-15 minutes more, and it's good to go. Okay guys, so our pork is ready. That's a pork belly. Beautiful piece, very juicy. Very tender, very good, beautiful. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Write me a comment, tell me what you guys think. This was traditional Armenian barbecue we made today. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and don't miss out the upcoming videos. Cheers.